This single handbag costs more than a brand new car, but the terrifying and intricate journey from a deadly predator to a status symbol is a process few are allowed to witness. It begins in the humid tropics of Southeast Asia. Here, reticulated pythons are raised in specialized farms, prized not for their venom, but for the geometric perfection of their skins. Once harvested, the skins are immediately salted and washed. Speed is critical. If the bacteria set in, the precious scales will lift, rendering the skin worthless for the luxury market. Next is fleshing. A specialized machine with razor-sharp blades strips away every ounce of meat and fat. The goal is a clean canvas, leaving only the collagen structure behind. The skins are then thrown into massive wooden drums. For days, they bathe in a chemical cocktail of chromium salts, transforming organic matter into durable, non-decaying leather. To create those vibrant fashion colors, the natural camouflage must go. A bleaching process strips the dark pigments, leaving a ghost-white skin ready to absorb new dyes. This is where art meets chemistry. The skins are immersed in hot dye baths. Whether it's electric blue or crimson red, the color must penetrate deep into the fibers, not just sit on top. Leather without oil is like dry cardboard. Fat lacquering injects essential oils back into the skin, ensuring that the final product is as soft as silk but as tough as armor. Drying is a delicate waiting game. Skins are toggled stretched onto frames to prevent shrink. They must dry perfectly flat to maximize the cutting area for bag designers. The secret to that glass-like finish isn't varnish, it's friction. A machine rubs an agate stone across the skin at high speed. The heat and pressure burnish the scales into a mirror shine. For the most exclusive collections, machines step aside. Artisans hand-paint specific scales to accentuate the natural diamond patterns, creating a 3D effect that machines cannot replicate. A final high-pressure ironing session seals the deal. This locks in the oils and they shine, ensuring the skin remains pristine even after years of use in the fashion world. Perfection is the only standard. A single scar, a tiny scratch from the python's life in the wild, can downgrade a skin from grade A luxury to a discount scrap. Python skin is sold by the centimeter. The width of the belly scales determines the price. A few extra centimeters in width can double the value of the entire skin. Now the designer takes over. Cutting python is unforgiving. There is no eraser. The pattern must be aligned perfectly so the scales run symmetrically down the center of the bag. Edges are skived or thinned down to paper thickness. This allows the craftsman to fold and stitch the leather without creating bulky seams, maintaining a sleek silhouette. It takes steady hands and years of training to stitch through scales. The needle must navigate between the hardened plates, locking the structure together forever. Hardware is attached, edges are painted, and the final polish is applied. What was once a raw skin is now a masterpiece of engineering and biology. Durable, unique, and timeless. No two python bags are ever identical. You are not just buying a bag, you are acquiring a unique fingerprint of nature. From the swamp to the showroom, the transformation is complete. If you enjoyed this glimpse into luxury craftsmanship, subscribe now to uncover more secrets behind the world's most expensive items.